If you've ever noticed a little stiffness, heaviness, or slow circulation that wasn't there years ago, you're not imagining it. Many people quietly wonder about these changes, and today's conversation is meant to bring calm understanding, not worry. This is something that often becomes important with age, and it deserves gentle attention. Olive oil is familiar to most of us as something from the kitchen, but its role doesn't end with cooking. For many older adults, it can also be part of a simple self-care habit that supports comfort and daily well-being. If you felt tightness, mild swelling, or that sense of sluggish circulation, this topic may feel quietly relevant to you. And as we go on, you may realize why this small habit has been overlooked for so long. Olive oil contains natural fats and antioxidants that are widely known for supporting heart health. What's less often discussed is how these same qualities can support circulation and skin health from the outside. As the body ages, blood flow can slow for many reasons, including long periods of sitting or reduced movement, or natural changes in the vessels. These shifts can sometimes lead to discomfort, tension, or visible vein changes. Olive oil used gently can help support the body during these changes. When olive oil is applied with light massage, it combines two helpful elements. The oil itself contains oleocanthal, a compound with natural anti-inflammatory properties, while the massage motion encourages blood flow to the area. This combination helps bring oxygen to tissues and supports healthier circulation. Many people use this approach on legs, arms, feet, or other areas that feel tight or heavy. Keep listening because the way this is done matters just as much as the oil itself. For older adults, circulation changes are common and often misunderstood. Swollen legs, aching muscles, or stiffness can feel frustrating, but they are part of the body's natural progression. Olive oil also contains vitamin E, which supports skin nourishment and tissue health. This is especially helpful as skin becomes thinner and drier over time. Using olive oil regularly can support comfort, while also helping the skin stay soft and resilient. Using olive oil is straightforward and does not require anything complicated. Extra virgin olive oil is usually preferred because it retains its natural nutrients and contains no added chemicals. Place a small amount in your hands and gently massage it into the skin using slow circular movements. Many people focus on the legs, feet, or areas where circulation feels weaker. The oil should absorb easily without leaving the skin overly greasy. A gentle massage lasting around 10 to 15 minutes, once or twice a week, is often enough to support comfort and blood flow. There's no need to rush because the benefit comes from patience and consistency. It's normal to have questions about safety, especially when trying something new later in life. Olive oil is generally safe for most people, but it's always wise to check with a healthcare professional if you have sensitive skin or existing medical conditions. Pay attention to how your body responds. If anything feels uncomfortable, reduce pressure or stop. This practice should always feel soothing and supportive. Olive oil massage works best as part of a broader approach to well-being. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and keeping the body gently active all support circulation. Simple activities like walking or stretching can make a noticeable difference. Including foods such as leafy greens, nuts, and omega-3 rich fish can further support heart and vessel health, which becomes increasingly important with age. These small habits often work together better than any single solution. In the end, olive oil offers a quiet, natural way to support circulation, vein comfort, and skin health as the years pass. Adding it to a regular self-care routine is less about fixing the body and more about caring for it with respect. I hope this discussion brought clarity and reassurance. If you'd like to share your own experiences or reflections about daily health routines, your comments are always welcome. And if calm, practical guidance like this feels helpful, Health Advice for Seniors will continue to be here to support you. Take care of yourself, stay gently active, And remember that understanding your body is one of the best forms of self-care.